Gearheads, petrolheads, and lovers of all things luxurious, welcome. Today, we're setting our sights on the pinnacle of Italian automotive art, the 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling sculpture, and an engineering marvel. So, let's peel back the layers and see why the 12 Cilindri might just be the ultimate dream machine. Design. First up, the looks. Ferrari has thrown out the nostalgia playbook here. The 12 Cilindri boasts a futuristic design that's both aggressive and elegant. Think sharp angles, a low-slung profile, and a hint of those classic Ferrari curves hidden within the sleek bodywork. It's a head-turner guaranteed to stop traffic, for a good reason. Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes this beast roar. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the 12 Cilindri, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. Yes, you heard that right. In a world obsessed with turbos and electrification, Ferrari stays true to its heritage with a pure, unadulterated powerhouse. This translates to a mind-blowing 820 horsepower and a soul-stirring soundtrack that will have you grinning from ear to ear. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of a staggering 2.9 seconds. Buckle up, because this car redefines the meaning of neck-snapping acceleration. Interior. Slip inside the 12 Cilindri, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that blends classic Ferrari craftsmanship with modern technology. We're talking premium leather seats, a driver-focused cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster, and a massive central touchscreen for infotainment. There's even a passenger touchscreen, a first for Ferrari. It's a fusion of opulence and functionality. Unique selling points. Now, what makes the 12 Cilindri stand out from even its Ferrari brethren? Here are 2 key points. The last of its kind, this might be one of the final opportunities to own a front-engined V12 Ferrari. With stricter emissions regulations looming, this could be a collector's item in the making. Uncompromising performance, forget about hybrid compromises. The 12 Cilindri delivers pure, unadulterated, exhilarating performance that only a naturally aspirated V12 can provide. It's a celebration of the internal combustion engine in its finest form. The 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's a testament to Ferrari's heritage and a glimpse into the future of automotive performance. Sure, the price tag will make your eyes water, but for those who can afford it, the 12 Cilindri offers a driving experience unlike any other. It's a symphony of speed, a masterpiece of design, and a legend in the making. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the 12 Cilindri. Would you take this over any other car on the market? And for those who might dream of owning one someday, keep working hard, you never know. Until next time, stay safe and keep it driven.